This is a man's world. This is a man's world. But it would be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. You see, man made the cars to take us on the road. A man made the train to carry the heavy load. A man made electric lights to take us out of the dark. A man made a boat for water like Noah made the ark. This is a man's world. Would be nothing without a woman or a girl. Ooh, yeah. He's ours. Ooh. Man